Hello, Legions friends. Today we have some very exciting updates to share with you on our Legions Toolbox platform. Basically, what we have is the ability to create an account and start building your digital collection. So we're going to go right ahead and I'm going to show you how to do that. Obviously, you will need to go to legionstoolbox.com and there you will find over there at the top right a profile link. If you don't have a profile yet, what you will do is you're going to click there and it will give you the option to either log in or create a new account. If you don't have an account, you are going to use this side of the form and you're going to enter your email address. I'm going to just use some test info here. I'm going to enter my username, and this is going to be visible to other players. And I'm going to choose a secure password. Then I'm going to click here on register. When I do that, I'm going to get automatically a registration email on the account that I entered. And at the same time, I'm going to be automatically logged in, so I don't have to do anything else. Now, if I click on profile again, I will go to my profile instead of being taken to the login screen. And I will see that there are no cards in my collection yet. So I'm going to go ahead and start fixing that. So again, I'm going to go here to all cards. And I am mainly an orcs player, so I'm going to filter to orcs, which is what I have most of. I'm going to close out of my filter, and here I have my the collection of all of orc cards. I can filter down if I want, for example, to filter by starter deck or something like that, or rarity. I can do all those filters and combine them together. But I'm going to start building my collection from here. So if you're on a desktop, you will notice that there's an overlay now when you hover over any card. So I actually have two of these. So I'm going to add two to my collection and I'm going to click here on apply. And when I do that, the system will quickly update and that will tell me that things worked successfully. If something didn't work, I would get an error message. And I'm going to start adding what I have. Let's say I have one of these. I have three of these and just for showing you purposes, I'm just going to add some more of these to my collection. So let's say I've added what I have to my collection. And now if I go back to my profile, I will see that things have changed a little bit. Now I can see my collection here and I can share my profile and there's a URL that I can click here and I can use this link to share my collection with other people. So if I were to open like another browser and I'm going to open a private tab there, I can go here and see the collection of this new player account that I just created. In the same way, if I wanted to remove a card from my collection, all I have to do is set the number to 0 and then click apply, and that will effectively remove the card from my collection. At any point, I can go back to the home page and add cards to my collection from any deck or any variety or any rarity or anything like that. We are working very hard. I know there's still cards that don't have the artwork loaded. We are working very hard with Future Lore Studios. We're being absolutely collaborative and completely amazing about all of this. They are very, very busy with their upcoming release, which is very understandable. So it's going to take a while to get all these cards added on here. But we have about 75 to 80% of the cards loaded on here. So we apologize for that. It is coming up. Now, you're wondering, okay, what if I am on a mobile device? So if you are using the platform on your phone, you will find your profile link here, and there you will still encounter your collection. If you go to all cards, you can tap on any card to bring up the overlay. So if you just tap on a card, you will be able to tap on here and enter how many of that you have, and you can click on apply, and that will do the same exact thing. If you happen to tap on the wrong card for some reason, you can tap on close, and that will close the overlay. And if at any point you want to log out, all you have to do is go to your profile and click on the log out button. And that will just take you back to the home page as a logged out user. Um, there there are lots of things planned for the future of this. We are working hard to implement more features every week. One of the next things that is coming up is being able to add cards to your wish list. We're also going to be implementing the ability to create decks and add cards to your decks, and eventually you'll be able to export those decks as well. At some point there might be a player directory of sorts, and if that happens, you will be able to opt in or out of being included in that directory. Until then, only people who you share your profile link with will have access to your collection. Um, this is obviously all still in the works. If you detect any bugs or if you see anything that's wrong with the platform, there's anything that you're trying to do and you can't do it, please use the contact form on the website to let us know. Um, you can come over here to our contact page and send us a message, and we're very active about looking at those. Thank you so much for using the platform, for supporting the game, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with this. Thank you so much.